Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about armature winding, winding factors and winding terminology. So first we'll see about what is meant by armature winding. So armature winding means the active winding is used to produce the EMF in the synchronous generator is known as armature winding. So in a three-phase alternator, three sets of windings are arranged in the slots made around the inner periphery of the stator. So that is known as the armature winding. So this winding is used to participate the produce the EMF in synchronous generator. So next, what is the phase difference between these three windings is 120 degrees. So here the phase difference between each winding and each induced EMF is 120 degrees. So next we'll see about winding terminology. So here we have 9 factors. So one by one we'll see. First, conductor, turn, coil side, pole pitch, slot angle, full pitch, coil span, short pitch. So what is meant by conductor? Conductor is a wire, so which is used to produce the EMF in armature, so known as conductor. So next, what is meant by turn? So if you join two conductors together, that is called as a turn. So if you join two conductors, that is called turn. So next one, coil. So next one, if you join number of turns together, that is called as a coil, right? So next one, coil side. So one conductor in a one slot is known as coil side. Next one, pole pitch. So pole pitch is denoted with small letter n. So the definition of the pole pitch is, so the ratio of number of slots to number of poles. So it is called pole pitch. Here number of slots divided by number of poles is called pole pitch. Next one, slot angle. The angle between any two adjacent slots is known as slot angle. It is denoted with alpha. So how we will calculate the slot angle is, the angle between two adjacent slots is called slot angle. So next is one is full pitch. So full pitch, so here we'll measure between slots. So here full pitch means one conductor in one slot is connected with another conductor in another slot one pole pitch away is called full pitch. The coil span means the distance between the two conductors in a turn is known as coil span. Span means distance. So coil span means, so the distance, the number of slots between two conductors is known as coil span. Next one, short pitch. So already we have discussed about full pitch. Full pitch means one conductor in one slot is connected, another conductor in another slot one pole pitch away. So here short pitch means one conductor in one slot is connected to another conductor in another slot less than the pole pitch. Is known as short pitch. So these are the definitions. So these definitions will use, and these formulas, what is meant by pole pitch, what is the pole pitch formula, and slot angle alpha. So these formulas we'll use while we are doing problems, right? So this just you remember the pole pitch formula and slot angle, how we will calculate the full pitch and how we will calculate the short pitch. So next we'll see the winding factors. We have two types of winding factors. One is pitch factor, another one is distribution factor. Pitch factor is denoted with Kp. So distribution factor we are denoting with Kd. So what is the definition of pitch factor? So it is defined as the ratio of phasor sum of the coil side EMF to arithmetic sum of the coil side EMFs, right? So formula is Kp is equal to cos of beta by 2. So in the syllabus, so derivation is excluded. So only you have to remember the formula. So coming to the distribution factor. So it is denoted with Kd, K suffix D, Kd. So it is defined as the ratio of phasor sum of component EMFs to arithmetic sum of components EMF. So if Kd is equal to sine of q alpha by 2 by q sine alpha by 2. So where q is equal to number of slots per pole per phase, that is, so generally we will write it as a n by 3. Number of slots per pole is pole pitch, that is n. Number of slots per pole per phase is q. So where alpha is equal to slot angle, right? So this is about armature winding, winding terminology and winding factors, right? So in next video, so we'll see about EMF equation of alternator. Okay, thank you.